there. Today we're going to revise the song Shake It. So everyone, can you get the page up? In this song we're going to talk about time signature. The time signature is C, which means common time, and many of you know that common time means 4 crochet per bar. So have a look at all those notes, and we're going to clap those notes first, saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's listen to the metronome. This is the metronome, it's a timekeeper. Some people have metronome at home, but if you don't have the metronome, it's quite expensive to buy. You can always download it on your computers, or you can download it on your iPads. Let's hear the timing. Let's say together 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You also can adjust the speed. You can make it a little bit slower. 2, 3, 4. Let's clap together. If we have a rest sign, we put hands together and don't clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we clap through 2 lines. In line 3, we don't have a note, a real note. We only have a big circle which takes the whole bar. How many beats in this note? Think about. Yes, it's 4 beats. And this note we're going to draw in the air while we're listening to the full bar of the beats. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And the last line clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I would like to talk about third line, because in the third line we do some unusual activities for the cello playing. We don't make any music. We listen to the backing track, which has very exciting band accompanying cellos. But if we hold the bow, everyone pick up the bows, please, with a nice bow hold, nice bow grip. Okay, and we draw the full circle for the time of 4 beats. And in bar 3, we just and we say great big whole note twice. Great big whole note. Air taps for the next notes. 1, rest. 2, rest. 1, 2, 3. Can we practice with metronome? Line 3. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now, next thing, we're going to name the notes. And we all remember that note A is on the top line, which is number 5. And note D is written on the 3rd line. And we don't have any more notes in this piece, so it's nice and easy. So make the water pistol shape of your hand. Stick your thumb on the side of the fingerboard and the point finger is going to pluck the string. Okay, ready, set, go. A, D, D, D. D, D, D. Second line. D, D, D. D, D, D. Okay, and this is very good. We're not going to pluck any more lines because that's the main thing you have to learn in this piece. Instead, we're going to play the whole piece, which is 1, 2, 3, 5 lines with the bow, and we can do the bow dance and we can do the bow taps in the air. Okay. What is difficult in this piece? Some of the people to reach a string, we need to remember to bring the elbow over quite high. If you remember, we were talking about a little bubble that comes out of your wrist and it's growing straight up to your elbow. And we remember the bubble is very, very high when I touch the A string with the bow. And then the bubble gets smaller for the D string and even smaller for the G string. And then we go to the C string and we pop the bubble. So I suggest to leave the bow really, really, really high and land it, the bow hair on the A string. So this way you're never gonna miss this A string. Okay, let's make nice long A string sound. Just to test it. So from A, we stop here, and then we rock on a D string. So I just going to demonstrate these first 2 bars before we play the song through, because this section is really, really important to get right, and it's not very easy. So I play it again with a high elbow position. Stop and rock to the D string, and the bubble gets smaller. Okay, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. High, high, way down low. Shake it up, shake it low. High, high, way down low. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it up, shake it low. High, high, way down low. Shake it up, shake it low. High, high, way down low. Also, if we able to use the full bow length, which means from the frog straight to the tip, that would be really, really, really good. Otherwise, you try your best to use a little bit longer bows that we usually use, not only that much or that much, a little bit more towards the middle. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.